The Picture Book Man. The children meet the Picture Book Man. Today I'll read a book called The Picture Book Man in the Oxford Reading Tree series. This is for kindergarteners. There's to start in English, and I'll start reading it. The man had a big pad. He had a pen. He did a picture of a cat. He did a picture of a dog. The cat ran. The dog ran. The man ran. He did a picture of a long dog. It is a sausage dog. The picture man was fun. Okay, I pointed out some of the picture, some of the meaning of the word by pointing a picture at it. I hope that will be a little bit more helpful. Oh, and if you have any book recommendation, please give me a comment. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.